Alright, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing, and boy, we've been waiting for this box. This box. Ta-da! So, they put it in a box, square box. What do you get? You get a round box. I know. It's so exciting. Where do I put this? Where do I put it? What do you guys think of my green screen? Pretty cool, huh? Whole $13 for a green screen. So let's cut this baby open, because you guys know what's in here. Y'all know what's in here. So if you ain't figured it out, look at that. Alright, so let's open the tube. They really do pack these really well. They spongy thingies. So, alright. It says open the other side. I don't know if you guys seen that. I totally broke the rules on that one. Should I open it on the other side too? Just in case I'm missing something? We'll open it on this side, this way I can say I followed the instructions. Because, you know, we don't want to break the rules. Okay. Okay. I think we're good. We took it out. This, obviously, is my favorite rod in the kastking lineup for spinning reels. This is the Resolute rod. I already have one, but it's a medium. This, as you all know, is my new ultralight. Ultralight weighs 4 ounces. Doesn't weigh nothing. Look, it'll float. See? It floated. It floated. That's right. Lighter than air. In fact, it's got a microwave air guide. So I think I put all these in nice little orders. So let's go to why I love this so much. And it is this guide. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's this guide. Now, what makes this guide so special? Well, it's very special. So, what it does, as string comes off of my Zephyr, it comes off in a very wide circle. That causes wobble, and it does limit casting. Always does. That's why you got these big old guides on all spinning. But because of this, you could see up here, there it is. Make my screen bigger. As it comes through, it flattens it. It completely removes the wobble out of it. And it allows it to cast much, much farther. So, oh my gosh. That is a huge, because this is an ultralight. This particular one will cast 1/32 of an ounce. Well, that's no weight hardly at all. So you need to get as much advantage to cast it as possible. And this rod actually does that. Another great thing about it too is the handles. I love these particular shark skin water wicking handles. They're very comfortable. They never slip. I mean, my rod is... Take the plastic off. Okay. Plastic! Well, it comes off. But anyway, that is, I mean, it's beautiful. And it's got such a great grip. Really good grip on it. You've got even a sponge up on top where the locking nut is, which is great. This also is an American Tackle guide seat. Also, these are made by American Tackle. These are award-winning guides. They are. But I have used this, my medium, for everything. probably the best all-around rod I've ever seen. The reason, too, is the carbon blank that this thing is. This thing is amazingly strong. Great backbone to it. Extremely responsive. I could feel everything on this thing. I mean, everything. This is by far one of the most impressive blanks that I have, you know, when it comes to rods. I mean, you could look the way they cross them, the high density graphic core, the carbon tape for the reinforcement, first layer carbon, second layer carbon. This is a great rod. It is a two-piece rod, but you'll never guess it. You'll never guess it. They go together just perfectly. You don't have to press on it hard at all. Don't force it, but there you go. This now, anything that's up here is going to translate all the way down here, and I can feel all of it. And of course, one must have their Zephyr 1000 reel on it. This, the entire setup is 11 ounces. 11 ounces for the entire thing. This rod will hold, I put 6-pound test on it. It's going to cast down to 1/32 of an ounce. And it comes in just about every combination that you can think of, both for bait casters as well as for spinning. Look at them all. I don't know if you can read them all because there's so many of them. This right here is the ultra light fast action. This is what I expect to be one of the best, one of the most fun, one of the most exciting setups in my setup line. Believe me, if you want to add excitement to your fishing, lighten your tackle because it is just exciting. So this, the kastking Resolute rod, it's beautiful too. It really is beautiful. I love that green. It is, I don't know about you guys, but that's sexy. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just that I'm an old guy. That's sexy. This is pretty sexy. I'm very excited. I'm going to the lake tomorrow. We're going to break it in on crappie and trout tomorrow. And you guys are going to see how exciting something like this can be like. It is going to be phenomenal. So please subscribe, tell your friends, hit the link below. Do not forget to sign up for the rewards program this month. I mean, it is a great deal this month. And check out kastking. And guess where you're going to see me, especially tomorrow? Out on the water.